Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Chef Colin Abernathy with Sage Dining Services at Our Lady of Good Counsel High School. Here doing some cooking and home isolation with everybody. Today, I've got a short video and a way to use the dumplings slash wontons that we made in our previous video. These are the, sometimes you see them referred to as wontons in chili oil or spicy-tangy wontons. It's a Szechuan dish. It's got copious amounts of chili oil, ground chili pepper, a sweet soy sauce that's nice and rich and sweet, as well as Chinese black vinegar, grated garlic, and toasted sesame seeds. So it makes a real nice treat. Something especially with everybody's allergies coming on right now, help clear your sinuses out. So sit back, check out the video. It's real short, super easy to make, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.